Welcome to Anytime Learning Defining Inventory Items. If you haven't already, please be sure to download the course material, which contains the course reference guide and case study, including a starting data set and import files. You will find review quizzes in the course reference guide, which are the same as the exam crams you will find in your profile. After completing this topic, you will be able to define inventory items and the related components, and use the item wizard. Before accessing the product, let's highlight the components that are necessary to define items. These components include the item master, vendor details, customer details, item prices, location details, manufacturer's items, customer's items, reorder quantities, bill of materials, and kit items. We will also look at the item wizard. The first step in creating items is to determine the structured code to be assigned the item. Next, assign the item to an account set, and then a category code, both of which have already been created. Items are also assigned to a default price list. Each item can also be assigned an alternate if the primary item is out of stock. The alternate item can be selected to avoid issuing a backorder, for example. In addition, an item can be identified with a serial number and multiple units of measure. Assigning the item one or more tax codes may also be necessary for tax calculating and tracking. After an item is added, up to 9 vendors can be assigned, indicating which vendor or vendors the item is normally purchased from. This information can assist in automatically creating purchase orders if inventory control is integrated with both the accounts payable and purchase order modules. Customer details can also be created. These allow item mappings from your unique item number codes to the numbering scheme of how your customers identify the item. Sales order documents can be modified to then refer to the items they purchase using their item number format instead of yours. Please proceed to inventory items.